Explore the charm and sophistication of the newly rehabbed home at 8434 Old Ocean View Road in Norfolk, Virginia. This stunning four-bedroom, two-bathroom property is brimming with stylish upgrades and is ready for you to move in. Enjoy a brand new 30-year architectural shingle roof and energy-efficient windows throughout. The open floor plan boasts new luxury vinyl plank flooring on the lower level, plush carpeting upstairs, and a fresh coat of paint in every room. The kitchen is a culinary dream with new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a custom backsplash. Fully renovated bathrooms feature sleek new vanities and exquisite tiling. The private primary suite offers a spacious walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom with a large tiled walk-in shower. Reach out to Nikita Chandiramani at 757-285-3171 for a showing.